¿Qué tal, mi gente? Esto es Ready Rock D. Estaré en Buenos Aires 23 de enero 2026. Presentado con Rapzone. Consigue tus entradas con Rapzone ahora. Un saludo a toda mi gente en Argentina. Big Warside. This is Ready Rock D. I'm bringing the Culture Carrier World Tour 2026 to Buenos Aires, Argentina. Tickets is on sale right now. Shout out to Rapzone. I'm pulling up. We coming through to celebrate hip hop. I need the whole culture with me. I heard we got some special guests in the city pulling up, so you don't want to miss it. Get your tickets right now. Link up with Rapzone and let's get it going. Big Warside, Culture Carrier World Tour 2026. Let's sell this joint out. Let's pack the spot. I'm coming through. Let's run it. Big Warside, stay swinging.
What? I'ma hustle that shit. Who want what? I'ma hustle that shit. Who want what? I'ma hustle that shit. Hustle that shit. Hustle that shit. Who want what? I'ma hustle that shit. Who want what?